Hi, Barry Vesty, Auraled.co.uk once again. Today, this video is going to be about our HighLED HighBay. Now, I've seen a plethora of HighBays, all of the same ilk coming into the marketplace. All quite similar, you know, a UFO type HighBay. But I'm going to explain our one because it's quite important for you when you're doing your project. The first thing is, we use an HLG mean well driver, and I've seen a lot of copy drivers in the marketplace, and the way to distinguish this is HLG mean well have their own casting for the driver. If you can see these three lines here, they extend into the casting. If ever these three lines don't extend into the casting, they are a copy. They are a fraud mean well driver. They're not the same. With our HighLED, if you look here, you will see a gap between the heat sinking and the driver. There's an airflow below it. It's stood off. The reason it's stood off is to keep the driver cooler. That is important. We want to keep that driver cooler. Next, you will notice the thickness of this heatsink. It's a nice big heatsink. It extends quite out. These fins will radiate the heat off. The reason we do a white HighBay is quite simple. When your HighBay is up in your ceiling at a nice height, 4 meters, 5 meters, it becomes impossible to clean. With this, it's IP65. So you will see from the base up to your HighBay if an amount of dust or any material has got into the heatsink, and you can wash it down. That's important because if it's black, you might not notice this build-up. We're looking at the front here. This PCB is set back into this, so then you've got some glare control. With the PCBs that are at the front and the narrow ones and the LEDs right at the front, you will get a lot of visible glare coming over the spectrum or the beam angle of the HighBay. So it's set back with a reflector. Nice, strong IK10 tested front PC on this, so if you did get something go up and smash into the HighBay, it won't break, won't damage the LEDs. With this, we use Nichia high quality platform diodes, very, very high quality company. Very good diodes, good L70. We offer a 5-year guarantee as standard on this. That includes a light depreciation, which is very, very important when changing over. This 150 watt will replace a 400 watt HPS sodium HighBay. With a high pressure sodium HighBay, you have a cylindrical lamp, so you have maybe increased lumens, but they're spreading all over into the reflector. With this, it's all downward light, so you're looking at foot candles on the floor. We will actually do a scheme. We will plan it through our lighting designers, plan out your foot candles throughout your warehouse to make sure that you're getting the right levels on the floor, and we will use a quality unit like the HighLED. Available from any good wholesaler in the UK, available next day to them wholesalers from us, so you can go in and inquire with your wholesaler. We'll do the energy calculations for you and the scheme for you as well. If you have any other questions, contact 0161 494 2118. Thank you.